Well, we decided with this project that we're going to be using hand split cedar shingles for this face here. We're going to have like a little work shelf down there that comes out 2 feet, and the same thing over there. So we've decided to put like a little 2-foot wall coming in there and going up. We're going to maybe angle 45, and so the shingles are going to carry all the way from the bottom around the window. So we're just getting into splitting it right now. I don't know if you guys have ever hand split cedar shingles, but we went out to the bush, me and my girlfriend, and in an hour we got almost a cord of these shake blocks. We cut them at 18 to 20 inches, which is the shingle length. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the right splits on these to get some nice shingles out of it. So we've been working on these shakes for about 2 days now, give or take, and we started to come up with a bit of a technique. We're going to take this block and separate some of the edges off, and then take the knots out of it, and that leaves these nice little pieces like this that are called shake blocks. That's what my baby here is working on. So that only takes about 30 seconds. Now that I got that done, I can see where all the knots are and see what my problems are going to be. There's not a whole lot, it's pretty clear, but there's a bit of termite damage there. Yeah, next time I do this, I'm going to do this in the bush and leave all the waste behind. It takes a little bit longer, but then we don't have this mess that we have to clean up. Now I'm going to knock it down into some chunks and get all the knots out. That is not what you want to see when you're shake blocking. But we're kind of lucky, they're all confined to the middle mostly.
Uh-oh. First dent. It was worth it.
So this is red cedar here. We're using it for shake blocks. What I'm going to do, I'm looking for knot-free areas without the rod in it. And I got to cut in between these cracks here. Get in real close so you can see the pieces that we're going to be going for. You can see crack here, crack there, crack there. So I'm gonna cut pieces out of here, and that's what we get the shake blocks out of. First I'm gonna take the edge off, and that gets it all cleaned up so I don't have to take the edge off of every single shingle. This is our third day.
But we got lots of shakes.
Good job, babe.
Yay. Now we're getting into the better one.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Except for that.
Sniffly out here, folks.
Settle down.
So she's just lining it up at about a ½ inch there. And then it's ready for wha-pow!
Kapow. Go big girls.
Just yell kapow when you hit it. Yell kapow.
Kapow! That's how you do it, Roxanne.
Tell them anyone can do this.
Whoa. You gotta want it.
Look at that stance, folks.
You threw me off, Tucker. You're not supposed to talk. You're supposed to just look pretty. You're just the filmer.
So I built myself a little wall here, and it has to go around these two pieces here. So these pieces here and here are coming off. They're the braces that the wall's gonna brace up. So I got double thick there. I'm gonna chop this out. That's 7.5 inches, and chop it right there. And then it should notch right around that piece if all goes well. Got this thing all nailed up in here, and we just go plumb it up basically. And then, yeah, just nail it in there and plumb. Okay, babe, it's time to stop. We're done. Stop splitting shingles. She gets addicted to it. Babe, put the shingle down. It's time to take a break. You've been going for like 4 hours straight. Look at this freaking pile.